Good day, Toyota Bacoor. Today, we will be doing a quick review of our Toyota Rush. We will tour you inside and out, give you details and how-tos so you can get to know them better. But wait, for those who are new to this review, please hit like, subscribe, and tick that notification button to get the latest from us. Ready? Let's get started. Toyota Rush was launched in the Philippines to cater the emerging SUV market. Designed for rough roads, flooded areas, and for uphill and downhill condition. This is a perfect SUV for an active lifestyle. A 3-row, 7-seater, rear-wheel drive machine. This model was introduced in May 2018, comes in two grades. The Rush G Automatic, the Rush E that's available in both manual and automatic transmission.
Wow!
There are 6 colors to choose from. Dark red, white, black, silver, bronze, and Bordeaux, which is exclusive for the G grade. This SUV runs on a unibody platform with MacPherson strut and 5-link suspension that is adapted for the front and rear suspension to achieve excellent handling stability, ride comfort, and maneuverability. The front view expresses a tough and wide stance, while the chrome-plated accents create a high-quality impression. Both grades are equipped with multi-reflector LED headlamp with line guide and the halogen fog lamps. Under the bonnet, you'll see the 1.5-liter dual VVTi that produces a maximum output of 102 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, 134 Nm of torque at 4,200 RPM, mated to a 4-speed automatic or 5-speed manual transmission. On this angle, the first thing you'll notice is the wheel design, either a 17-inch for the G grade or 16-inch for the E. Both are machine-finished alloy wheels. Access through the passenger is relatively easy, even with its high ground clearance of 220mm. I am 5 foot 9 inches, but can be seated comfortably in the front seats. That's amazing! Now let's talk about how safe this car is. Let me list them down to you one by one.
Oh no!
Both the G and E grades is equipped with 6 SRS airbags. Yes! That's 6!
Wow!
We have anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, vehicle stability control, traction control, hill start assist control, emergency stop signal and sonar sensors, seatbelt reminder, ISO fixed mounts, second row center seatbelt and headrest, and of course a reverse camera. The entry and exit for the rear door are also made easy with the tumble seats. Rush offers ample knee room so even passengers with larger build can sit comfortably. To add to that, Rush has 13 bottle holders. You heard it right, 13!
Wow!
And there's more. There are 3 12-volt accessory outlet available for your charging needs. Looking at the rear design, a rear spoiler extension has been added to improve both aerodynamics and sporty image of the Rush. Integrated is the third brake LED lights. At the center is the rear combination lights with LED brake and LED tail lamps. Right beneath is the reverse camera beside the unlock button for the G grade, and installed at the rear bumper are reverse sensors. By opening the rear door, you'll get to see the access to your spare tire. This is also where you can fold your third row seats so you can have more luggage space at the back. Vehicle warranty is 100,000 kilometers or 36 months, whichever comes first. Now, let's get inside the vehicle. The seats are of high quality fabric. Thick cushioning and comfortable seat backs enhances comfort and provide a premium feel. Let's start from what we see above while sitting in the driver's seat. Here's the door lamp. Some call it personal lamp. This one can be used for small storages like your sunglasses, and this is your rear view mirror. Beside it is the anti-glare adjustment. Down here is your entertainment system or your vehicle's head unit. A touchscreen 7-inch display audio with CD, MP3, auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth, Weblink connectivity available for both iOS and Android, and a total of 8 speakers for the G grade.
Wow!
Right below is your chrome-plated, dial-type knobs air conditioning system. Beneath is the center console where you can see your shifter or gear selector, then beside are sun cup holders. Going from the driver's side door trims, here are your power features. Power window with jam protection, power door locks, side mirror power adjust, and then the power reed rack. The 3-spoke steering wheel is wrapped in leather with audio and telephone switches. Behind the wheel are your stocks. The one from the left is used for turning signals, park lights, and headlights. The other one from the right is used, of course, for windshield wipers. The meter panel tells a lot of story. Number 1. The multi-information display is equipped with an odometer, trip meter, fuel indicator, average fuel consumption, and current fuel consumption display. Number 2. The eco bar indicator informs the driver of an eco-friendly driving. And then number 3, G-grade models are equipped with an exterior temperature display. And then, here is your push-start system.
Wow!
That's it! That was a ton of info. If you want to see this vehicle in the flesh, please schedule an appointment with our marketing professionals online. Visit our website at toyotabacoor.com or call our sales hotline at 419-8333. See ya!